Hey guys, welcome back. We've got three things today. Going to be a quick short video, just kind of touching base. Of those three things, number one, Happy New Year guys, 2020. Looking forward to some great things coming up. Hopefully it's going to be a big year for you and for us here at the garage. We're really looking forward to it. Got a lot of things kind of in store and wheels turning, and we're going to keep going that direction, and Yeti's going to get done. We're going to be working on the Trans Am here a little bit. I got some things for Mega. Got, a lot of cool stuff that guys talk about, I see on the forums and things. We're going to cover some of those things, let you guys, try to see how it's done and whether you want to tackle it yourself or not. Hopefully you do. That's kind of what we're here about. Everybody, doing the work for yourself and making cool stuff happen. Because guys, I can tell you, there's nothing better than pulling into a parking lot somewhere, climb out, somebody comes up to you and says, hey man, that's a nice truck. Hey, that's a sweet car. You feel a lot of pride when you build it yourself. And that's kind of what we're trying to do. Just do it ourselves and make this stuff for ourselves in the way we want it. I don't care what the next guy thinks, but it's all about building what you want and making ourselves happy. That's what we're trying to do here, is kind of learn how to do some of that stuff. So number two, we got swag. Pretty cool. We got some new t-shirts printed up. Hopefully before long we'll have some out there for sale. Right now we're just kind of testing the waters, I guess. Third thing, this is a viewer request. So everybody that's commented, and I get comments here and there, I get messages, and I get people that know me here in town and come up and say, these are the things I like, these are what I don't like. So far the one thing I've seen requested from not really even having to do with the pickup, but let's cover that real fast here. Spider webs are all gone. I hope you're happy now. Anyways, Happy New Year guys. Go find a project, get dirty.